So how were you rescued then? How did all that come down?
Well, after the tornado had hit, we had all started getting up. I heard a voice call out hello, hello twice. So I responded back hello, and I started trying to get out. I was able to get out, and then I had them come help us with moving the drywall, and so they could save my sister and my.
From the living room into here, and that was it.
Laying on my mom, on my sister, and I had to, like, the bathroom exit was right here. The drywall was blocking the door, so I had to try and push it out of the way, and then I was able to. Mostly debris. I have found some packages of. Hey, pair of my dad's underwear. There's some Cool Whip. I did find some pieces of the garage. I have found this Christmas ornament back there somewhere. I found, I can see it. I found some, like, search jacket, like, from the people that rescued.
Thank you, hon. So you did touch down.
Back by that tree by the barn, and actually I had an air purifier that was sitting on this entertainment center under the TV, and that's back by that tree by the barn as well.
Kitchen or from the living room?
My daughter was upstairs, so she ran through this way, but that's wanting to come out this afternoon to help. So.
Yeah, that's good. Kitchen or from the living room?
My daughter was upstairs, so she ran through this way. We've had more people stop this morning, and we got more people that are wanting to come out this afternoon to help. So.
Hey guys, coming to you from the mighty Midwest. We're here with Jesse out in Paulding County, Ohio. We're actually pretty close to the next county up, is that correct?
Yep. Yeah, this next road, that road right there is Defiance.
Defiance County. Okay, so
window that is standing. My son was actually looking out that window when he spotted the tornado in the backyard by the tree line. Neighbors from down the road, and I think more people with tree line. He yelled, "That's a tornado!" I yelled, "Everyone in the bathroom now!" My daughter was upstairs. She came running downstairs. Me and my son went from the living room into the bathroom. Told them down, down, down. I closed the door, and then that's when all hell broke loose. The drywall was cracking. It fell on me. The roof got sucked off, and then